Hello, this is Nevis here. I'm going to show my students just how easy it is to create a document on Google Drive and then share it. Share it with the class in the Google Classroom, or share it with the teacher in the Google Classroom under the task assignment, for example. Okay, so let's do this really quickly. I'm in Google Drive. This is my drive, and you will be able to access your drive using your own Gmail account, which you will normally find in the Google Apps menu like this. So just access this symbol and it will take you to the drive. So here I am in the school drive, in my school account drive, and I'm going to this blue button here, new, allows me to create any Google document I want. So clicking on it, I can create a new folder, which I'll do that now, and I'll call that folder my new folder. And there it is there. I can give it a color if I like, just give it red for now. And I'm going to open that new folder, and this is where I want to create new documents to share with the class. So here I can either share the whole new folder if I want to share it. I just click on my new folder up here and I can share or get a shareable link, which is what you want to do if you want to share the whole folder. Let's go and just do one document at a time. Now I'm going to create a Google document, which is easy, but again, if you prefer to use so if you want to use your own word processing program like Word or text or whatever it is, whatever file, you can also just drag and drop files in here from your own file on your desktop or in your Explorer tab, whatever. Okay, so you can just drag and drop, or you can upload. You can also do this, just click on new and upload a file or upload a folder. Okay, so now I'm going to create a new Google Doc, which to me is the easiest because it's on Google Drive and you don't have to, and it's already there, you don't have to worry about uploading or downloading or anything. I'm going to choose a blank document and I'm going to call this my new doc, whatever, and here I'll give it a title, my new document, and I want to make that the title. So I'm going to just click on here, and I have already this is what Google Docs allows you to do. You can use these headings as they are, or just say you want to change the title. I'm going to change this and change a color, for example, make it blue and underline it, and this is what I would like my title to look like from now on. Or so what I'm going to do is go there and click on this and just say update title to match, and I have, so anytime I want to do a title, I'll just write new title here, select it and click on title, and there it is. Okay, so it's going to look like that every time, and then anytime I want to do that, I can do that. Here I have the outline. You can if you have the outline automatically open and you don't want to open it because for whatever reason, you can just click on it and it disappears. If you think, oh, I want to see that, where is it? It's under, there it is, a document outline under tools. Okay, and there it is again. Okay, and now I want to share it, so I'll just go up here, quickly share, and I just add the email names or email addresses of the other students that I want to share this with, or in teachers or whatever. Now you can select that they can edit, so if it's going to be the same students in your group, you may want to give them editing rights so that they can add or to the document. If you just want to share it with your peers to ask them what they think about your work, you can just click on Can Comment. And if you want to just show it and not receive any comments or not have anyone touch it, you can click on Only Can View. Normally when you get the shareable link, that is normally just a Can View only. Now the thing is with, I'm just going to say done on this, with the Google Classroom, we can only access the Google Classroom with the school account because the school has a G Suite account. So what you need to do is you can create it on your own Gmail account, but then you must share it only with those students or teachers that are in the School G Suite account. Okay, and once you share it with me in the Google Classroom, that's when I'll be able to, and you must make sure that I can not only comment but maybe edit it as well for you so I can correct it. So what I need you to do is to make sure that you give me editing rights when you pass it over to me. So anyway, let's get this shareable link, copy the link, done. And what you do is when you go over to the classroom, just looking at this classroom for example, let's go over to courses and we'll just choose this one. Now once you're in this classroom here, what you need to do is, I don't have an assignment here, is anyway, you can add it in the class comment here. For example, Control V, post, there it is there. There's the link to the Google document, or you can also create an announcement. For example, sharing with the teacher, for example. Not worry about a topic at the moment, and there add the link here. It'll go to the top. There it is there, my new doc. Okay, that's it on how to share a document from your Google Drive. Now that can be, go there again, that can be a Google document, it can be Google Sheets, which is like Excel, or Google Slides, or there's even other more things. There's Google Forms, Google Drawings, Google My Maps, and a Google Site, which is like a blog page, for example, where we'll discuss that later on in the term. Thank you for listening. This is Neva signing off. Till next time.